Hello. So this is our fourth day, I think, and today I will gonna teach you anything about this rotate. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So we will gonna recreate this one, and the first thing I will do is to change the background. I already I already told you this technique. You just click the color below and paste like that. So now here's the catch. In our HTML, you add a rectangle class for this one and change this to the rectangle. So now that we have a rectangle class, we need to position it center. Absolute. This is really convenient, this position absolute, because what what this do is that it it does not restrain any position. It points exactly where you want to put it. So margin auto, just like this, top, bottom, left, right, zero. We have a zero value, but notice this, when I delete this margin, it will come here in the top right corner. See, this margin auto is the key code here, these three lines here. So let's make this rectangle. Okay, this is my technique, how I do anything, how I did until now. This is what I've been doing all this time. Just estimating and recreating this. 150. And copy the color background. See, we have now the circle and left and right. Circle. Let's name it circle 1 and circle 2. Oh, I forgot again the timer, but don't worry. The video in the YouTube has a timer. The video has a span. What do you call this? A timer. It's not exactly a timer, but it has a time. Okay. Circle 1. Okay, just let's copy these values. Essentially, what this does is we are creating two rectangles. But when you notice, if I change the color to red, see, it comes to the top of this rectangle what we did earlier. So essentially, this is also a rectangle because we copied the code here. It's like this is the code here, and this is code here. It covers the first element. Okay. So now for circle, you just make it border radius to 50%. What's the wrong? Okay, colon. And make that. And adjust the position from left. Pull it from the left. Pull it. If you don't like negative numbers, you can just add to the right. Push it from the right. But I like the idea of pulling and pushing. So I will show you pulling it to the right, the values 60. Pushing it from the right. Okay. Here we have the exact position. And what I mean in putting a negative number is that it's really easy. It's not here, but here. If you put it the negative, see, you just modify the top and the left. You don't need to put values inside this right and bottom. Then copy this one, duplicate. We already have a circle 2 class here, so it should display. And you can see the magic here. If I remove this negative, it will auto generate I mean yeah, the right side circle. Oh, see, the class is same. That's what I'm talking about. And copy the color background. Okay, now let's create this box. It's square. There are 4 of them, so 2, 3, 4. Let's also copy the values circle like we did earlier on the rectangle. Okay. Let's change the circle to square. 1. Square 1. Let's do first the top left, or the first one, the first row, first column. Square. Here, let's remove the radius. Let's also remove the left so that it would center. And notice here, if I pull it top, I will just make the value negative if I want to pull it from the top. So right now it is on the center. I will show you by making the color black. See, it is on the center. It's not really noticeable because it blends the color of the rectangle. If I go back and pull it from the top like 50, okay, that's not enough. 100, I think. Okay, pull it from the top and pull it from the left, so we need to negative here. Okay, like so. And I guess we have this. Okay, it's not really, when I look closely, it's not really a box. It's a circle. It has a circle-like element in the middle. But anyway, let's do the box first. Okay. It is not four elements, but it is not four elements but two elements, like a cross sign sitting on top of each other. So let's change our plan. Let's put a cross one. Let's do this to make the circle, to make our code more interesting. Okay, so cross one. This is the power of rotate here. I will show you a bit. Let's adjust the height to 140. Oh, make the vertical, the x-axis center, make it 0, and 0. Make it center again. Okay. Here I will show you how to rotate. I already shown this before last day, I think, but I will show you. It has a what do you call this? Key? It's not key. Anyway, it's transform, and the transform has a value of rotate. If you want to rotate it diagonally, since this is vertical 0. If you want to rotate diagonally, 45 degrees. Okay, it's too much. That's why adjusting is really awesome. Negative. Okay. The height from 60, 150. So we create this one, duplicate, rename to 2, and rotate, remove the negative so that it would X like that. And the last thing, the height of our rectangle. Let me adjust. 30. Okay. 30. Yeah, 30. Lastly, the circle behind. Let's name it circle, big circle. Like so. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This is much more easier for you to watch. And let's copy the pre-made elements of this, no matter. Okay. If you want to start in scratch, I can show you with 50 pixel for now, height 50 pixel for now, position absolute, margin auto, top, left, bottom, and the right, and the background 59426, like so. Border radius 50%, and like that you have a circle. You just need to adjust the height or in the width in your convenience. Okay, the width seems so 5. Okay, the height, it's added 70. Yeah, perfect. Now we need to make this rectangle on top of the circle. To do that, we adjust the, the hierarchy or the position here, because what's come in the bottom comes in the top, like so. Because it's like, if I can show you, the circle one here is like, if this is the circle one, the circle 2 is right here above the circle 1, and so the cross one above, and so on. It will stack above. So whoever puts in the bottom sticks above this second to the last. Am I right? Am I making sense? Yeah. Okay, and submit. Thank goodness YouTube has a timer where you can see how much time you cost. But tomorrow I will gonna show timer here, like I'm doing this past days before this YouTube.